Okay, so it's been about a year and a half since my surgery, and I think all of the other videos are in the link on Cherokee Women's Health page. So I encourage you to go back and to listen to all of my videos. I've been pretty honest, and this is no exception. So a year and a half. I can hold my pee longer than all of my friends. That is so crazy to say, but I don't go to the bathroom anymore. My bladder is doing great, and I'm so thankful for that. My sex life is out the roof, people, out the roof. My husband said he got a new bride and he didn't even have to get remarried, and so I'm so thankful for that. The tightness is crazy. I don't know how to say that without being, can I say that? So let me think. I went from like a size 4, if you can think of 4 fingers, to a size 1. Yes, 1. And so it's been a lot of fun stretching and just getting to know each other again. It is it's definitely, I can't believe that they can do this with technology, but they did it. I've got 9 children. I've birthed about 6 children. We've had several miscarriages and a stillbirth. And so my body has been through a lot, and it's so worth it to have the surgery. I never would have dreamed that I would feel this great at 53. And like I said, it's like being on a honeymoon this past year, and we're still getting used to just sex again together, because it is so new for me and for him also. And I mean, he got a virgin again. And so it's been so much fun. And you know, the recovery was not bad at all. So worth it. And just the whole bladder tack was worth it. So I encourage you to go out and take care of yourself. Get a couple of things done this year. And then next year, get something else done to keep yourself looking good and fresh. And that's what I've committed to do. I may not do a whole lot, but I'm going to do something every year to kind of make myself look fresh, to feel fresh, so that I can continue to be active way up into my 70s and 80s. You know, we have covered bridges here in Aniana, and every year they close the bridges to make sure that they're okay so that you can go across them. And so I want to encourage you women, you know, we do lots of things happen to our body through the years, and I just want to encourage you, close it off for a month or so. Go have surgery. Go talk to Dr. Luttrell or the doctors at Cherokee. See what they can do to make you feel better about yourself. So I hope this helps some of you guys. And the staff is incredible. Dr. Luttrell has my heart and Scott's heart. And so I encourage you to go and talk to him. He's so personable. And just thank you so much for being on this journey with me. And I hope that it's helped one person.